Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we keep it real with honest, expert-level beauty reviews. Today I've got something that promises to transform even the most damaged hair, the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Leave-In Conditioner. This isn't just any leave-in. It's designed for hair that needs some serious love, especially if you're dealing with breakage, dryness, or general damage. Let's dive into this powerhouse product and see if it lives up to its bold claims of strengthening weak, damaged hair and restoring your locks to their former glory. Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate Leave-In Conditioner is a cream-based treatment that targets weak hair bonds and helps to restore hair strength. It's formulated with Redken's Bonding Care Complex, which is engineered to reinforce the hair's internal structure. It's a product you might turn to if your hair has suffered from everything: bleach, heat styling, or even just the natural wear and tear of daily life. Plus, it's vegan, which is a big win for those who are conscious about the ingredients in their products. The main selling point of this conditioner is its ability to strengthen hair from within. The acidic pH is designed to balance your hair's natural levels and smooth the cuticle, while the concentrated formula works its magic by repairing and fortifying those fragile strands. I've had the chance to test this leave-in conditioner over a few weeks now, and let me tell you, the first thing I noticed was how lightweight it feels. Sometimes, conditioners for damaged hair can be thick and greasy, but this one just melts right in. I applied it after washing my hair, and right away, my hair felt softer and smoother. The true test, though, was how it held up throughout the day. With my hair being naturally fine and often limp after treatments, I was pleasantly surprised to find that it didn't weigh my hair down. It remained manageable, bouncy, and healthy looking throughout the day, no heavy residue. But beyond just the initial feel, what really stood out was the change I noticed over time. After about 2 weeks of consistent use, my hair felt stronger, less prone to breakage, and much more hydrated. It's clear that this product does a lot more than just coat the strands. It really does seem to work on rebuilding hair from the inside out. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are pretty straightforward. It's lightweight, effective, and hydrates your hair without making it greasy. The creamy texture is easy to apply, and it doesn't require rinsing, which is perfect for a busy routine. Over time, my hair felt stronger and healthier. I also love the fact that it's vegan, which makes it suitable for those with specific ethical considerations. On the flip side, the main con here is the price point. Redken is a premium brand, and while I'm impressed with the results, this treatment can be a bit on the pricier side compared to drugstore alternatives. But if you're someone who values quality ingredients and real results, this might be worth the investment. When it comes to value for money, you're definitely paying for the quality and efficacy. If you compare it to similar treatments, like those from Olaplex, Redken stands out in terms of its formula. This one has that concentrated bonding care complex, which is a serious differentiator in terms of hair repair. The fact that it's leave-in also adds extra convenience, saving you time in your routine. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is exactly what you'd expect from a brand like Redken: sleek, functional, and professional looking. It feels sturdy, and the design is simple but effective. The bottle is easy to dispense from, which is important when you're dealing with a product that you need to use every day. In terms of longevity, I found that a little goes a long way. Even with daily use, I can see this bottle lasting for quite a while. You don't need a huge amount of product to get the results you want, which justifies the price a bit more in my eyes. Now, let's briefly touch on alternatives. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might want to check out products like the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm, which offers a more affordable way to treat damaged hair. While it's not quite the same as Redken in terms of the concentrated formula, it still offers great results for those on a tighter budget. So what's the final verdict? The Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Leave-In Conditioner is a fantastic treatment for anyone with damaged hair. It does what it promises: strengthens, repairs, and hydrates. It's particularly great for people dealing with hair damage from chemical treatments, heat styling, or environmental factors. However, it is on the pricier side, so it's best suited for those willing to invest in their hair's health. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this honest review. Your support helps me keep bringing you the real, unbiased opinions on the best and worst products in beauty. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you've tried the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Leave-In Conditioner, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.